Hello YouTube, this is Foster, Australian for beer, American for your parents I didn't love you. I'm just finishing my workout now, so you'll be seeing this workout a little bit out of order because I like to end with this, but I want to show you this first because this is the new stuff that I haven't shown you guys yet. Okay, so we take our 20-pound weights, we set them gently on our chest. If you have to hold them a bit in your arms, that's a-okay. I mostly just hold them in place now, but when I started, yeah, I had to actually hold them completely. Okay, so first we do 20, and then we start on the sides. I like to go a little bit more each time, so I'm going to try for 30. 1, 2, and you should feel your gut. You should feel your abs working. That's only, you don't need to go all the way, you just need to get to the point where you feel it right in your abs. Okay. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now if you're a bigger guy like me, 11, 12. It's a little bit more difficult because you don't have a lot of room for your lungs. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. So we did 20 of those, and then I like to go on the sides next. Sorry about the belly. Alright. And now it still crunches, but this time we're just gonna twist. And just like with the lunges, it's a left and a right. And so I like to do 10 of these. So 1, 2, 3. This will work for your love handles. Wait, okay, that's 2. It was 4. Shit. Alright, 3, 4. I'm bad at counting. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, and now that I do the sides, I like to continue with the weighted ones. Okay. Except my arms aren't doing it. Okay. Alright, so once you have done as many as you like of the weighted crunches on each side, what I like to do is I like to put my weights at my feet, stick my toes under the weights, and then do some crunches just by my lonesome. Alright. Try to do 20. Alright. Let's do this. 1, 2, 3. Now when I started doing the weighted crunches, I couldn't actually get up all the way. So just to prove, it does help. Alright. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. 9, 10. I usually want to go to 10. Come on. I got 10 more in me. Alright. 11. 12. We got this. 13. 14. Oh, I'm feeling it. I'm really feeling it, you guys. Whew. Alright. 16. Alright, that's 15. Alright. 16. I'm bad at counting. Oh, okay. I'm bad at counting than talking, I should say. 17. 18. 2 more. I can do it. I can do this. 19. Oh. 20. Oh, God. Like, if you like, share with your friends, subscribe. If you want to see more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Hello YouTube, this is Foster, Australian from here in American for your parents. We didn't love you today. We are doing Warrior Wednesday. Warrior Wednesday. All right. Anyway. All right. Now the first step to exercising is to get into some good cardio. So we're gonna start with that. I have a dog. Her name is Lucy, and I have to walk her twice a day, 2 to 3 times a day, honestly. And that's the primary reason that I get cardio. So I like to do the walk, run, jog just before I start the rest of the exercises. So yeah, first is that, then it's the 30-day challenges, and then we do our weighted lifts and crunches and all that. So yeah, I'm trying not to talk too much because I want to keep my breathing low and steady. A lot of people out today, not entirely sure why. I take these laps twice a day, so though this first lap is just 15 minutes, I actually do another walk, same distance at night just before bed. So that's where the full cardio comes in, just being completely honest. Might be the first day since I moved to South Bend where I'm actually sweating just because it's hot. Now it's important to stay hydrated. It's also important to stay in the shade if you're going to be out for extended periods of time. I mean, not completely, but you know, stick to the trees, that kind of thing. If you find that you're thirsty, definitely bring some water to drink and all that. All right, so now that we're doing the 30-day challenges, starting out our exercises. I like to do these because these have a set number, and so I can do these first, get these done, and then go as hard as I can on the rest as long as I can. All right, so we're gonna start off with day 15. We are halfway through, and it's 50 squats, 30 bridges, and 40 lunges. I hate squats, so I'm gonna start there. I'm gonna go in the order on the thing. 50 squats. Here we go. Okay. 1, 2. Now, if you'll notice, if you'll watch this, as opposed to the previous video, my form has been improving. 5, 6, 7, can't talk too much. 8, 9, don't want to lose track of the number. 10, 11, 12, 13, sorry about that, guys. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, I'm already feeling it. 20, gotta keep going. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, halfway, 26, 27, 28, 29, okay, keep it going. 30, 31, 32. I hate this so much. 33, these exercises. 34, 35, they're great. 36, 37. You realize your progression because you're doing better than you did before. But they are great at making you feel like a complete failure. 37, 38, 39, 40. I've been doing these every day. Not this number but yeah, I've been keeping up with the daily challenges. 10 more. 41, 42, 43. 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Woo! Alright, so that's squats, and then we're gonna do lunges. Oh, we're gonna do 40 lunges. 40 lunges. Oh my God, why? Okay, so remember, with each one lunge is both legs. So technically we're gonna be doing the movement 80 times, 40 on one, 40 on the other. Because I messed that up the first day. All right. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4. Normally I listen to music, get me through it, but 6, 7, but YouTube, 8 copyright stuff, 9, 10, or doesn't like to mess with copyright, 11, so I can't risk it, 12, which actually makes this harder, 13, 14, holy crap, 15, 16, I'm dying, 17, oh, just breathe, okay, 18, 19, 20, halfway, 21. Oh, I have the hardest time with these, and I think it's my legs. Okay, 22, 23, 24, holy crap, okay. Okay, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, oh God, 30, 30, pace yourself, you guys. Gotta pace yourself. Okay. 31, 32. If I can do this, 33. You can too. 34. It doesn't matter where you are. 35. You can start. 36. And I believe in you, damn it. 37. Because you deserve 38. To be healthy. 39 and happy. 40. Holy crap, that hurts. I can hardly stand up, you guys. Oh, dear God. You gotta catch my breath. Wait 15 seconds. And then we'll do 30 bridges. I actually don't mind bridges because they're pretty much all the pelvic area. I'm sweating so bad right now. Okay, 30 bridges. Hello, trash can. I belong in there. All right, 30. We can do this. You and me, we got this. Whew. All right, here we go. 1, 1. Sorry about that. All right. All right, back on it. 2, 3, 4. You want to feel everything tighten up. 5. Your butt. 36, 37, 38. If there was 30, or what? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Oh, I'm sweating. So 18. All right. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Oh, I'm actually feeling it. 25, 26, 27, ouch, 28, 29, and 30. Oh God, first doing that, I didn't feel that at all. Oh my gosh. Okay. So that was the butt challenge, and now we move on to the arm challenge. Oh, my heart. I'm gonna get some water. Oh. All right, guys, we're about to start the arm 30-day challenge. We're on day 15, and so that is 8 tricep dips, 9 push-ups, and 12 mountain climbers. We're going to start off with the 9 push-ups, then go to the 12 mountain climbers, and then on to the 8 tricep dips. Yep, 9, then 12, then 8. All right. So here we go. We're going to get into position. Because my floor is carpeted, I'm going to actually have my feet up against this thing, just so I'm not sliding back. Okay, here we go. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, there we go. So now that we did our push-ups, our 9 push-ups, we're gonna go into the 12 mountain climbers. Here we go. All right. So it's the same position, and we're just gonna kick with each leg. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh. Now I tend to have an easier time with these because I did stuff like this already. Like I have the arm muscles. Point is, if you're used to exercising, your legs, you're gonna have an easier time with the butt challenge. If you're used to exercising your arms, the arm challenge is gonna be easier. So, okay. All right, and to complete our arm challenge, we're gonna do 8 tricep dips. So you start in a sitting position, you scoot your butt off of the edge, and then you just, up and down with your arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. All right, so that's our arm challenge. And now we're gonna go into the lifts. All right, here we go. And then finally, crunches. Grab your 2 20-pound weights in each arm. Lift, 2, 3. Hold, 2, 3. To your sides, 2, 3. Hold, 2, 3. Up, 2, 3. Down, 2, 3. Hold, 2, 3. Up, 2, 3. Hold, 2, 3. Down, 2, 3. Hold, 2, 3. Up, 2, 3. Hold, 2, 3. Out, 2, 3. Hold, 2, 3. Up, 2, 3. Hold, 2, 3. Remember not to ever let the 2, 3. Hold, 2, 3. Up, 2. Ever let the weights touch the floor? Hold, 2, 3. Down, 2, 3. Hold, 2, 3. Up, 2, 3. Hold, 2, 3. Down, 2, 3. Hold, 2, 3. up, 2, 3, hold, 2, 3, out, 2, 3. This kind of combines everything that we've been learning in the first 2 upper body workouts. Hold, 2, down, 2, 3, hold, 2, 3. And you do as many of these, up, 2, 3, as you can. Hold, 2, down, 2, 3, hold, 2, 3, up, 2, 3, hold, 2, 3, down, 2, 3, hold, 2, 3, up, 2, 3, hold, 2, 3. One more. Out, 2, 3, hold, 2, 3, up, 2, 3, hold, 2, 3, down, 2, hold, 2, 3, up, 2, 3, hold, 2, 3, down, 2, 3, hold, 2, 3, up, 2, 3, hold, 2, 3, down, 2, 3, hold, 2, 3, up, 2, 3, hold, 2, 3, and down, 2, 3, 4. Whew. Okay. On to the last part, which is crunches. Okay.